Hey everybody, welcome to Shopping with Shana. Before we go any further, make sure you hit that subscribe button, ring the notification bell, and hit all so that I can show you more videos like this where you can grab all 5 of these products for completely free and make $2.02. Now, I actually made over $6 on this particular haul, but it was by accident. I'll explain in a minute, but let's get going and let me show you these deals. All right, let's start out with the Dial body wash here. I wanted to give you a quick individual deals, so that way if you want to do them individually, you can. Now, the Dial must be done in store because you are receiving a register reward. Now, the funny thing is, online, the picture is saying that you're receiving Walgreens cash, but that is actually not the promotion. It is a register reward. So you want to grab 3 of them. You can mix and match the Dial. I grabbed the gold, the lavender, and jasmine, and then one of the men body hair face wash. Now, they are regularly priced, I think, $6.29. However, they are on sale for $4 each when you buy 2 or more. So that's going to take you up to $12 total. There is a 2 off 2 digital coupon. Use that. That is going to bring you down to $10. Now, if you are not using a booster, you may use Walgreens cash to pay that out of pocket. If you are using a booster, make sure you do not do that. So you'll pay $10, whether it's with Walgreens cash or with your debit card, and then you are going to get back a $5 register reward. But it gets even better than that. You can then submit to Ibotta for $1 back on one. It's limited 5 times. So you get $3 back. Final cost is going to be basically just $2 each, or roughly 67 cents, 66 cents each, which is an amazing deal on some body wash. All right, so the next deal we have is the Tom's of Maine Kids Toothpaste. Now, you want to grab 2 of them for this deal. They're regularly priced $4.99. There are 2 digital coupons that are attaching that you want to use. The 2 off one that is the Tom's digital coupon, and then there's also a 2 off one that is the Colgate digital coupon. And if you read very carefully, it does include the Tom's of Maine, and of course they are both attaching online. Now, out of pocket, you'll pay $5.98, but then you're going to receive $5 in Walgreens cash. At that point, you want to submit your receipt to Ibotta, and you're going to get 50 cents back on one, limit of 5 times. So you get a whole $1 back there, making both of these toothpastes completely free. Now, just a note of caution, I had a few issues in store today, but when I put everything in my cart online, it worked perfectly. So unless you are actually doing a booster with a register reward and you have to go in store like I did, I definitely would do this online because it worked great. Just make sure when you do pickup, you go into the store and pick up at the photo counter, so they will give you a physical receipt to submit to Ibotta. Okay, so with a booster, I put both of these deals together. Now, I'm going to tell you what is supposed to happen, and then I'm going to explain to you what actually happened in store. I actually had quite a bit of difficulty this morning. However, what you want to do is grab 2 of the Tom's of Maine Kids Toothpaste. They're regularly priced $4.99. Then grab 3 of the Dial body washes that are on sale for $4 each. Your total comes out to $21.98. Use your 5 off 20 booster like I had, plus the 2 off 2 Dial digital coupon, the 2 off 1 Colgate digital coupon, and the 2 off 1 Tom's digital coupon. Out of pocket, you're going to pay $15.98. Now, make sure you do pay with your debit card or in cash. Do not use Walgreens cash to pay for this, because then the booster will be negated. Then you are going to receive $5 for the Tom's in Walgreens cash. You're going to receive a $5 register reward for the Dial, and you're also going to receive $5 in Walgreens cash for the booster. At that point, take the receipt, submit it to Ibotta, get $3 back for the Dial, $1 each, and then get $1 back for the Tom's, 50 cents each, and your final cost ends up being completely free and a $2.02 moneymaker, which is absolutely amazing. Now, let me explain what happened in store for me. Now, when I went into store, I went in and I did this deal. A lot of issues happened. The 2 off 2 for the dial did not come off, and the 2 off 1 for the Colgate coupon did not come off. The Toms did actually come off. I was able to check that online once I got home, but while we were in store, we didn't know which coupon was not attaching. So I had a very wonderful manager who worked with me and did a ton of modifications to make sure that I got my full deal. And I think I ended up doing a little bit better than what I was supposed to do. But man, I would much rather have a smooth transaction for sure. So she ended up modifying the two of the body washes to $2 each. However, the Dial's Men did not ring up $4. It rang up the full price of $6.29. Now, even though the dial was the wrong price, she ended up somehow modifying the toothpaste to be $2 each instead of being $4.99 each, knowing that one of the coupons was an issue. It ends up after the one coupon that came off, and we do know that it was for the just the Toms. I only paid $12.29 plus tax. I ended up getting back $5 in Walgreens cash for the Toms. I ended up getting back the $5 register reward, no problem. And then for the booster, she just went ahead and credited me the $5. So on top of that, once I submitted to Ibotta for the $4 back between the two products, I ended up making $6.71. So like I said, I definitely came out on top, but this is not the way it was supposed to go. And it was, I don't know, I stood at the register for probably 20 minutes trying to figure this all out. And I have to say, she was very, very kind. She worked with me and did more than I even asked her to do. All I wanted was my deal, and she ended up going above and beyond. So I really greatly appreciate it, but definitely not everyone is going to be able to grab that deal. Now, in a separate transaction, I did two different deals in order to get back some fetch points and to use a $4 register reward I had that was expiring. So, the first deal that I did do was the Paper Mate. So, these Paper Mate mechanical pencil 12 count are regularly priced $3.99. However, they are on sale 2 for $4 when you buy two. So, I grabbed two of them. And what I did was I submitted to Fetch. Now, I was expecting 3,000 points when you buy two of 10 or more, and I did not receive it. So I did have to submit a ticket, and I am still waiting on that. But the last time I did a similar deal to this, I did receive my 3,000 points back after they looked at my products. Now, another I thought was a really great deal is the Ticonderoga pencils. It is the 10 count of pencils. They are the sharpened ones as well. Now, these are regularly priced $4.49, but there's a really great sale price at Walgreens this week for $2.29. So I grabbed one of these and I submitted to Fetch for 1,500 points. So that's $1.50 off, leaving you at just $1.29 for these pencils. Normally like $4.49, which is a really, really great price. Again, did not come off. I did have to submit a ticket for both of these, and I'm hoping to get that back soon. Now, let me tell you about some really cheap Rimmel. Now, I've got two different deals for you I wanted to tell you about, and you could actually do both deals if you wanted to. The Rimmel Stay Glossy Lip Glosses, now they are regularly priced $3.99, on sale for $2.39 each. I think it's a 40% off is what the deal is this week for Rimmel products. There is a 4 off 2 Walgreens digital coupon. Now, just be careful. This is a store coupon. So if you are working towards any kind of booster or anything like that, you do have to take the amount after the coupon is applied. So in this case, 4 off 2, if you grab two of them, it would be 39 cents. There's also $1 off Rimmel manufacturer coupon that you do not have to do that for. If you grab just one of them, 4 off of 2 is still applying for some reason with just one product. So I just put one Rimmel in my cart online to see what would happen, and the 4 off 2 is still applying with just one product. It's taking $2 off. plus that dollar does come off. However, you'll notice that we are just going to be paying that tax 6 cents. Otherwise, it would be completely free, which is an amazing deal. So another scenario that I wanted to show you is products that I think I would prefer to grab. I am going to pay a little bit of money, but that is okay. I'm going to grab the Rimmel Scandal Eyes mascara there. It's regularly priced $5.49, but with being 40% off, it's going to take it down to $3.29. We also have the Rimmel Exaggerated Smoking Shine eyeliner. Sorry, it was hard to read for me. These are regularly priced $6.49, but again, $3.89 is the final price there with that 40% off. Now, the 4 off 2 coupon comes off and the $1 off 1 coupon comes off. So even though your items total $7.18, the store coupons are going to equal out to be $3.89. I do not understand why it is not the full $4, but it is not according to online. And then you will also get that manufacturer coupons. There is a 2 off 1 as well as a $1 off 1 coupon. One is for eye and one is for a Rimmel product. So your final cost ends up being just 49 cents. Now, if that coupon, the 4 off 2, would go all the way up to 4, we would only be paying the tax there of 20 cents. So I'm not really sure why it didn't go completely to the 4, but still 49 cents for 2 products that are normally, over $5 each. You're looking at, oh goodness, you're looking at $12 right there in products for 49 cents or 25 cents each is absolutely amazing. Now, I know I have not actually done this order yet. There is a free gift. You'll see that pictured there when you purchase $25 or more in beauty or in, I think it's beauty and personal care products. So I am wanting to try to put together some sort of scenario in order to get that free beauty, and I was going to include the Rimmel in this online. So I may or may not put another video together for you. If you'd like to see what I put together, let me know in the comments below, and I'll try to put one together later on.